Welcome back to the channel. I am Joe. As you can see, I'm inside my nice warm house this week. One of the last videos you guys will have seen that I showed you I had an extra set or new set or a new to me used set of GX470 headlights. At some point the driver's side has been replaced on my GX with just a really terrible aftermarket one, and the lens itself is like cracking from the inside. The driver's side one is still a factory clear, got that bluish green tint to it, which I don't mind. It kind of fits the vibe of the vehicle, that generation. So I want to get them matching. Maybe in the spring I'll pull them apart, maybe paint the insides, tint them. I don't know, we'll see. That might look good with my all blacked out grill. And since I'm going to be replacing the radiator this weekend, I'm going to have to pull the front bumper off, which normally you wouldn't have to do, but there are a couple hidden bolts in that header panel that I'm pretty sure my winch mount is blocking. So if I'm gonna have to tear all of that apart, I may as well replace the headlight while I'm at it, because you do really need to take that bumper cover off to replace the headlight. And then I'll have two matching headlights and I can decide what I want to do from there. So let's point the camera down here at the headlight. Let's get the Cerakote kit and start cleaning up this headlight. All right, step one is the oxidization remover. This is just a cloth you're going to wipe across, and it's basically going to start chemically stripping all of this like oxidization, the cataracts kind of. I usually will just take a wet rag and just kind of clean them a little bit. If you actually want to wash them with soap and water, that would be fine too. This helps get a little bit of the crud off beforehand, and you're just gonna start going at it, and you will feel again the light get a little, it'll feel smoother the more you wipe it as it strips that stuff off. That headlight was clean. That is the oxidization that comes off. The kit comes with lots of wipes. I think it comes with like 8 wipes. You're basically trying to strip anything off until the cloth comes out clean. May not do that. You know, if the plastic is like failing, it's getting soft, it's just gonna keep pulling crud off of the plastic. But you will definitely be able to tell when it's clean. And the next step is sanding, so you're gonna buff any remainder off of there anyway. All right, I think we're gonna call that good. It's pulling a lot of crud off of the black, weather stripping and like on the outer sides of the lens. I think that's where it's pulling a lot of that dirt, but I can definitely feel it's a lot cleaner than it was, especially up in this corner up here. It feels a lot smoother. That was where most of the oxidization was. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a cleaning with some water and a rag, again, before we move on to the wet sanding. Now, of course, the kit comes with this nice palm sander, a couple pieces of 2000 grit, Velcro's on there, a couple pieces of 3000 grit. I am actually, since this is such a huge piece of real estate, I'm actually going to give it a once over at the very end with some 5000. I've never done that with this kit, but basically you're just refining it down, buffing it down, polishing it even more before you go to that third ceramic coat step. So we'll just give it a little once over. Already this is such a huge difference. We've still got some cloudiness up here. That might be on the inside of the lens. I don't know, we'll find out. If I do end up tinting these lenses, which I think is what I'm wanting to do, I think a lot of that will be hidden. And still, as long as this is a solid piece and it's in good shape, looks pretty good. It's a 15-year-old vehicle, minimal investment and work on the headlights, so I should be pretty happy. We're gonna get some water on here. We're gonna get some water on the sandpaper, and we are going to start sanding. All right, I've got my 3000 grit done. I've got the 5000, or the, what is this? No, I did my 1000, now I have the 3000. It's supposed to be cloudy. Don't freak out. It's gonna be cloudy like this all the way up until the point where we take that ceramic white wipe across it, and it will look almost good as new. Now, of course, it's worth mentioning your results may vary. Depends on the exact plastic your headlight is made out of, the condition that it's in, the amount of work that you put into it. Obviously, if the plastic is failing from the inside, or it's spider webbing from the inside or failing, this is just gonna polish the outside of it. You know, it's not gonna be a miracle and fix the inside. I think the inside of the lens up here is failing. On this one, a little bit, it's cloudy. I would imagine if I take these apart and paint them, I should be able to kind of polish that down a little bit, and then if I tint over it, it should not be noticeable hardly at all. Don't be afraid to take the sandpaper off and just use your hand, cover your hand on there. You can follow the contours of the headlight, especially on a big, huge, round headlight like this. After you get most of it knocked down with that palm sander, go ahead and do it like this, and you'll be able to feel the contours much better. You'll be able to feel any rough spots a little bit better, and just go to town on it. All right, I think I've got it about as good as I'm gonna get with 3000, so we're gonna go over it one last time with the 5000. You can't really sand it too much with this fine and grit. Make sure you're using lots of water for lubrication. You know, even with the 3000, it doesn't even really feel like you're sanding. But as you are sanding and you've got that water, you can kind of start to feel it build up in the sandpaper. You need to flush it out. You can see that cloudy water. That's essentially your sanding dust mixing with the water. It's little clear particles of plastic being sanded away. And that's really all polishing is just sanding finer and finer scratches into something until you can't see them. And then of course that ceramic wipe is going to chemically seal and strip and do all kinds of fun chemistry things to eliminate all these fine scratches, and you should be left with a crystal clear finish. All right, I've got this wiped down clean. Make sure I let it dry for a little while, and we've got the third and final step, the ceramic coating. Like I said earlier, don't be concerned that this is all sanded, foggy. This is gonna take care of that. The key with this is to start on one side, wipe, go down, wipe. Don't backtrack, don't wipe all over. Really just one swipe across as you go all the way down. Ask me how I know, but that is part of the directions. So we'll start over here. And there it is. Holy cow, what a huge difference. And like I said, there is still a little, you can kind of see it on camera, a little bit of cloudiness on the inside of that lens. I think a lot of it is, I think that chrome is failing. So good candidate to pull apart in the spring, paint the insides, and give them a good tint. But this will be a nice mate, nice matching pair to the other headlight that I already have on the GX. That pretty much wraps it up. I tell you what, I'm impressed with that stuff every time I use a headlight, or I do it on a headlight. The kit here, I will drop a link down below over to Amazon. I think the last time I saw it was like $14.99. Honestly, that you can't beat that for headlight restoration, especially for the amount of work of some wiping, some sanding, some more wiping. And it lasts. So I've done several sets of headlights on it, and it works, it lasts. Can't wait to get that installed on the GX. So if you're new to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and of course subscribe. Questions, comments down below, of course, and follow the link over to the headlight kit, and I will link my Instagram, my Facebook down below there. Feel free to email me anytime, hawkeyeskunkworks@gmail.com, and I will get back to you. So until the next video drops, thank you for watching, take care, goodbye.